How to fix Samsung Health not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Samsung Health. So click on this search icon and search Samsung Health. You will see Samsung Health is here, so click on Samsung Health. So if you want to fix Samsung Health not working problem, scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Samsung Health app not working on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.